Hello everyone, my name is Hasvin. I'm your international peer mentor from Malaysia, and today we are celebrating St. Patrick's Day, before St. Patrick's Day, and we are having games and I'm playing some musical instruments down in the SU.
No. By the way, you don't need to play this first. You can just put here and you already won.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 3. Okay, sir.
This is the one. So the first step is go from here. Then I'm gonna to kind of then time is coming. Then you need to memorize the answer here. Then after it's done, you need to answer the question as much as you can. And the people who answer the most are gonna win a prize for that. Okay? Yeah.
I'm Pratisha, I'm from India, and last year I celebrated St. Patrick's Day working in security, and which was nice for the money, but I think I didn't enjoy it quite much as I'm planning to enjoy this year. So this year I'm going to watch the whole parade because it's so pretty and so beautiful. As you can see, I'm already in the getup. I hope all of you are having fun. Please go out, have fun, watch the parade. Good luck. Bye.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm Jile Tushin. I'm from China, and on the St. Patrick's Days, I'm going to the parade with my friends.
Has anybody seen one of these before?
Yeah.
Something similar, yeah. A lot of cultures have something similar. Like it's an open-ended frame drum. Is what it is. But this one's called a Bodhran. It's kind of indigenous to Ireland, so it's used to play mostly in Irish music, but it's played in other cultures, other types of music as well. So one side you've got an animal skin. We use a goat skin, and it's attached to a frame. And basically, the Bodhran player plays the rhythm, and then the melody players play all the tunes, the music, okay? Play the drum, okay? Let's play the drum.